Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2024 Ranger XD 1500 NORTHSTAR Ultimate. It's got the winch, LED accent lights. I'm gonna say 70% tread on the 30-inch tires. Hydraulic dump box, full hard cab, heater, wiper, air conditioning, tip out windshield, electric windows. This has the touchscreen display with the front and backup camera, or the backup camera, I don't think it's got the front facing camera. Navigation stereo, 3-cylinder, 110 horse, I think, 110 or 12, I'll check that and have that listed. 566 engine hours, 8,408 miles. I'm going to take another video of this getting started up, drove around. If you got any questions, call us at 406-232-3300. Happy bidding.